So today we are going to be talking about one of life's certainties, and that is taxes, and specifically the property taxes. So believe it or not, Des Moines, Iowa, or Polk County actually does have higher property taxes compared to the rest of the nation. So the national average percentage-wise for property taxes is 1.02%, which if you are someone who lives in the Des Moines metro, you know why I'm smiling, because that just sounds lovely, doesn't it? And Iowa is actually at 1.52%. Polk County specifically is a little bit higher than Iowa at 1.69%. So I did a little bit of research and just looking into what is the average tax bill across the United States as well. This also really kind of blew my mind too. It had it between 1,800 and 2,400, and I believe that the Polk County average tax bill was closer, I think, to like 3,500. So it just kind of shows how much higher we are and how much that affects your affordability when you go to purchase a property. To give you a little bit more of a frame of reference on that, New Jersey actually had the highest state average at just above 2% for property taxes, with Illinois and Connecticut coming in right behind them at 1.95%. So we're kind of right in there knocking on their door, right? My lender actually would project closer to 1.85% when she was going through and doing her calculations on property taxes. I actually think that that sounds a little bit more accurate. It depends on values and assessments and things of that nature and how the data is being procured. But generally speaking, you know that over time, if you're purchasing a home, that if the values in the area are increasing, so too will your property taxes. So even if you're tied into a 30-year fixed mortgage, you are still going to see slight increases based on the property values. So again, if you are someone who is thinking about moving to Des Moines, we get a lot of props nationally for being so affordable and having so many great amenities, which I would agree with that 100%. There are so many things about Des Moines that there are to love. But if you are someone who is moving here and you are expecting like all the affordability of property values, I don't want there to be any false pretenses when it comes to that tax component. So please just make sure that you're looking into that as well. Again, if you have any questions on this, my name is Allison Hart and I'm a local real estate agent. My number here is 515-210-5198. Thanks.